miss you in the most ordinary ways. I always stop and wonder what would have happened if I...
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marion. If you are new here, I'm a mom of two and I create content around cooking, cleaning, organizing, and my returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back. I'm starting off today's video by preparing breakfast, which will be tea with eggs and some queen cakes that I bought from the supermarket, which my son loves very much. So I hope you're going to enjoy today's video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. So I also want to arrange the kitchen as I prepare our breakfast. I want to empty the dish rack and put the dry utensils in the drawers where we usually put them. I haven't done any cleaning today because I wanted us to have breakfast, and then I do the other house chores later as the day progresses.
Baby, I'm living in the past, 'cause without you, it's like the ocean. I'm drowning in everything.
And guys, my gas got finished, and whatever I am cooking is far from being ready. So I have to call my gas guy for a refill. So my gas guy didn't disappoint. So we are continuing with our cooking.
Every day I miss you in the most ordinary ways. I always stop and wonder what would have happened if I stayed. 'Cause without you, it's like the ocean. I'm drowning in every single wave. Yeah, without you, I've got no focus. I'm fighting to just get through the day. And I keep falling, 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 and deeper in every single way. Yeah, I keep falling, 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 but without you, there's no escape. Yeah, without you.
So here is our breakfast. The 2 boiled eggs are for my son, and these other ones are mine. I've put some black pepper, and the one on the pink plate are for my daughter, and also those queen cakes that I bought from the supermarket. After breakfast, I want to clean the house, and this is how the living room looks like. There are shoes to clean, throw blankets to fold, and in the kitchen area, I wipe the surfaces and do dishes. And then also I have laundry. Our laundry basket is full, so I will also be doing laundry, but I will first start by doing the dishes.
Every day I miss you in the most ordinary ways. I always stop and wonder what would have happened if I stayed. 'Cause without you, it's like the ocean. I'm drowning in every single wave. Yeah, without you, I've got no focus. I'm fighting to just get through the day. And I keep falling, 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 and deeper in every single a lonely silhouette, needed somebody to show the way. Yeah, I was a heartbeat with no sound till you came around. Yeah, you showed me colors, light in the darkness. You were the only thing I needed. Then we got older, but we stayed the same. Swear that we never lost the flame. Nostalgia, you're an echo in my head. Oh, nostalgia, like a symphony of our memories. Oh, nostalgia, don't you ever slip away. Oh, nostalgia, like a symphony of our memories. Oh, like a symphony of our memories. Oh, what if the years turn into gold? The longer we live.
In the living room, I will just be tidying, and I'm not going to do any other house chore. I'm already bored. I feel like I just can't do any more work. So I'll just tidy the living room and call it a day.
Never lost the flame, no. Nostalgia, you're an echo in my head. Oh, nostalgia, like a symphony of our memories. Oh, nostalgia, don't you ever slip away. Oh, nostalgia, like a symphony of our memories. Oh, like a symphony of our memories. Oh, what if the years turn into gold? The longer we live, yeah, the more we grow. We could be 100 miles apart, but it's never far. Yeah, you show me colors, light in the dark. Oh, nostalgia, like a symphony.
So this is the following day, and we were going to the salon, and me and my son were also going to the barber shop. So, and we bought some fries along the way. So here we were just chilling in the car, eating our fries, because the lady that is supposed to be making my daughter's hair hasn't arrived. So we'll take our lunch in here, and then as we wait for her. Yeah, so that's me having a haircut. I used to have sister locks, but at some point I got tired and bored, so they had to go. Yeah, so this is now my current look.
You're an echo in my head. Oh, nostalgia, like a symphony of our memories. Oh, I was a lonely.
So we all go to the same barber. So it was my son's turn, and as you can see, he's totally mad. He doesn't like people touching his head or hair. His dad always has to carry him so that he can have his hair cut.
Then we got older, but we stayed the same. Swear that we never.
My daughter is having her hair blow dried. So the lady that makes her hair is finally here. So they washed. Now it's time for blow dry, and then she will make her hair. She has a style that she wants. So that is what she will do. And this is my son's final look. He was very mad in the barber shop. And this is my daughter's final look. This is the hairstyle that she wanted, and I'm sorry I wasn't able to show you the outcome on the very day. This is like 2 days later and it's looking good. I didn't even know she knew this type of hairstyle. So that's how it looks. So it's in the afternoon and I want to make some red velvet cupcakes. So here I have butter. I'll use this for sifting the flour. These are my mixing bowls in short. I have 1.5 cup flour, all-purpose flour. I'll be using some sugar, baking powder, vanilla essence, also some vinegar, cocoa powder. This is buttermilk, which I've made myself with vinegar. This is sugar, oil, and this is some red food color. My daughter and my son, my kids, they have lined up the baking tins. What happened to the two? Get these white ones you put here. Okay. Yeah, so let's start baking. Like a symphony of memories. Like a symphony of memories. Like a symphony of memories. Don't you ever slip away. Oh no, nostalgia. Like a symphony of memories. Every day I miss you in the most ordinary ways. I always stop and wonder what would have happened if I stayed. 'Cause without you, it's like the ocean. I'm drowning in every single wave. And without you, I've got no focus. I'm fighting to just get through the day. And I keep falling, 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 and deeper in every single way. Yeah, I keep falling, falling, falling. And without you, there's no escape. And without you, and all this time without you, baby, I'm living in the past. 'Cause without you, it's like the ocean. I'm drowning in every single way. And without you, I've got no focus. I'm fighting to just get through the day. And I keep falling, 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 and deeper in every single way. Yeah, I keep falling, falling, falling. And without you, there's no escape. And without you, I keep falling, 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 and deeper in every single way. Yeah, I keep falling, 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 and without you, there's no escape. And without you, I keep falling, 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 and deeper in every single way. Yeah, I keep falling, 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 and without you, there's no escape. And without you. So our red velvet cupcakes are ready. That is how they are looking. Let me do some tasting. They are so soft, by the way. They are very, very soft. And they are looking yummy. So Let me test and we see.
Running here, running there, my mind is so spherical. Touching darkness, leaving sharpness, maybe I'm hysterical.
And we are going to enjoy them with some milk. And as you have seen, they are quite soft and they are very, very sweet. And we love cupcakes. We really, really love cupcakes here. Especially my son, he keeps asking for them. So we are going to enjoy them.
We hate it all. Yeah, let's think about what we love and not what we hate it all. She is thinking about what could happen to her right now. I wonder what she is afraid of. How come her down?
And as the kids were enjoying them, I also baked another cake. So this is how it looks. Today I was in a baking mood. So this is the cake that I've baked. Though it looks like it is burnt. Yeah, it is. It has burned, but not that much. And that's how it looks. So we are going to have a lot of cakes today.
Chaos in my heart. Yeah. Let's think about what we love and not what we hate at all. Yeah. Let's think about what we love.